are the simulation center for the entire hospital at Kaweah Delta, and we serve a large variety of learners. This includes basically anyone who works at Kaweah Delta and outside of Kaweah Delta as well too can use the simulation center.
Simulation is one thing, real life is another, but to be as close to real life in simulation, it's going to just improve your skills. There's a lot of scenarios, I mean, it's almost limitless as far as what you can do.
You do get that real life training from the simulation center. The mannequins are high fidelity to get you ready and prepared for the next step.
For every residency, we have monthly formal sessions as part of your conference time. It's typically a high fidelity case with some task trainers mixed in there, and those can change depending on whatever specialty you are. Our surgical residents can go through entire cases in the OR or up in the surgical ICU. Our psychiatric residents can do a lot with clinic and inpatient units, so you're gonna be able to come in here and run through exactly what you see over there in the hospital here in the Sim Center. And the coolest thing about this place is that you can't hurt anybody, so we welcome mistakes, we love it. You can come over here, play around, try out procedures, and it's those types of mistakes that really help kind of drill in the knowledge and make sure that you are not going to make that same mistake when dealing with a real patient.
You always need to be prepared. And so if they can start practicing that mindset in a simulation where they can make mistakes and they can learn from them, it's just going to make them a better doctor or a better nurse.
We follow what's called the basic assumption in simulation. We have it written on our whiteboard when you come in, and it's this idea that everyone participating in simulation sessions at Kaweah Delta is intelligent, cares about doing their best, and wants to improve.
The environment of this team is super inviting.
Kaweah Delta has a family-like atmosphere. Everybody's got your back. The team aspect is there.
For me, knowing that this is a simulation center in the Central Valley, and the closest ones other than that are Fresno or Bakersfield, they get full a little faster, but we are here. And even if you're just coming in to refine your skills and you want to keep practicing, this is a really good place to do so.
And it's an extremely safe place to be throughout this pandemic. We have taken every precaution that we can in order to ensure that our learners are wearing masks, staying 6 feet apart, as well as going through afterwards, working with our EBS team who have been amazing and coming in here and setting up even more frequent cleaning schedule than they were before, and making sure that we are disinfecting all of our products and services appropriately. The Sim Center is available to you whenever. All you have to do is let us know when you're coming in and what types of trainers you want to use when you're in here. Whatever you can think of, the sky's the limit. The goal is that anyone who works at Kaweah Delta can absolutely come over here and use the simulation center for free, and we would love to have you come in whenever you want.
Health is our passion.
Excellence is our focus.
And compassion is our promise.